Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much. And my beautiful, beautiful cast of Happy New Year. I know we keep saying, Shahrukh and me keep saying, picture abhi baki hai, picture abhi baki hai. But in this case, trailer abhi baki hai, mere dost.
Just want to thank everyone who's behind the scenes. Kareem, Karuna, Sinayug, who set this whole thing up. Manish, who's arranged this. Venki sir, CEO, and Gaurav, and Bela, and BIRF,
and my mother and my children.
And Farah's mom. If she hadn't made Love That Night, we wouldn't have Farah as this great director. Thank you. Thank you for doing that. You know, that was really nice.
And my ADs, Varun,
Yeah,
Akar,
Varun, yo!
the best AD department in the world.
In the world.
Kal chutti nahi hai office.
And Mayur, who's done the dialogues with Farah.
And Manush, the cameraman, who shot this wonderful movie.
Who's beautiful. Thank you, Manush, and everyone. So we'll keep taking names of people.
Shashank.
We remember Shashank, who's designed the sets and the production designer.
I think enough.
Enough? Actually, ये जो फिल्म है, ये किसी एक एक्टर के बारे में है ही नहीं. ये ensemble फिल्म है. और मैंने ऐसी फिल्म कभी की नहीं है. आई थिंक फारा ने ऐसी नहीं की है, और जितने एक्टर्स यहाँ पे हैं शायद उनमें से एक दो को छोड़ के सब ने ऐसी की नहीं है. सो ये जो फिल्म है ये एक्चुअली होप पे है, बिलीफ पे है, अच्छाई पर है, और उन लोगों के बारे में है, उनको डेडिकेट की गई है जो 99.9% इस दुनिया में है, जो समझते हैं कि वो लूजर्स हैं, जो हार चुके हैं. लेकिन फारा का ये मानना है, और अगर औरत ये मानती है तो मैं भी वही मानता हूँ, कि अगर आप लोगों को ऐसा लगता है कि आप ज़िंदगी में लूज़ कर चुके हैं, ज़िंदगी आपको एक मौका और ज़रूर देगी जिसमें आपको चांस मिलेगा विनर बनने का. तो ये हम जो ताले वाले तोड़ रहे हैं, जो भी कर रहे हैं इस फिल्म के अंदर, स्पेशली जो टूटूस के अंदर हम डांस कर रहे हैं बैले वाला, वो इसलिए ही कर रहे हैं कि कहीं पे ज़िंदगी ने हमें मौका दिया है, उन लूज़र्स को, उन लोगों को होप दी है कि कहीं ना कहीं पर हम अपनी उम्मीद से ज़्यादा ज़िंदगी जी सकें.
ट्रिपल रोल है एक्चुअली, एंड it's been a very challenging film. As I keep telling Karuna, our producer, I was always in character, so it's very difficult when you have three different characters in a film like this. You have Farah shouting at you, and actually it was written as 4 characters, and I requested Shahrukh if he would do one of them, and then 6, yeah, there were actually 6 characters, and then we shared it. So the film was meant to be with Farah thought of it with Shahrukh, Deepika, and myself. And because I'm such a large-hearted person, you see all these wonderful other actors on stage. I said, "Bhaiya, inhe bhi de do. Let them do one role." So actually, I was meant to do all the roles. So yeah.
अब हमने बता दिया ये पूरी स्टोरी एक दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी चोरी की है. एक्चुअली फिजिकल ताला कोई नहीं है इसमें. सो
नो एक्चुअली तोड़ेंगे ताले का जो कॉनोटेशन है वो जो है इट्स लाइक फ्रीडम. हर वो ताला तोड़ना, चाहे वो प्यार का ताला तोड़ना है, ट्रूथ का तोड़ना है, गुर्बत का तोड़ना है, फ्रीडम का तोड़ना है. एंड 6 लूजर्स, जब जिंदगी के अंदर आदमी कामयाब नहीं होता है तो समवेयर डाउन द लाइन उसको इतनी मेहनत करनी पड़ती है कि वो सारे बंदिशें, सो ताला इज अ बंदिश जो हमारी जिंदगी में होती है, उसको तोड़कर आदमी सक्सेसफुल. तालियां प्लीज.
इतना डीप सोचा है.
कितना डीप हो गया मेरा.
It's different. I play a Maharashtrian girl, and so obviously that would be different. I hope it sounds correct, and I hope it comes across as a Maharashtrian girl. I think Minama for me was one of the most special characters I've done, and I hope Mohini and both start with M. So I hope Mohini becomes as special as Minama.
ये फिल्म फारा ने लिखी थी, ये फिल्म सोनू की है. सो सबसे पहले वो मैं बता रहा हूँ, तो सबसे पहले वो गए विशाल भारद्वाज के पास म्यूजिक करने के लिए. वो नहीं मिले तो विशाल शेखर ले लिया. उसके बाद वो गए नसीरुद्दीन शाह के पास, उन्होंने मना किया तो विवान शाह ले लिया. फिर वो टाइगर श्रॉफ के पास गए, उसने कहा नहीं मैं ये वाला नहीं करूँगा रोल, तो हमने जैकी श्रॉफ को ले लिया. उसके बाद हम प्रकाश पादुकोण के पास गए, मैं तो फिल्म में करता है, नहीं तो दीपिका चलेगी यार. उसके बाद हम अमित जी के पास गए, सोनू साहब, उन्होंने कहा नहीं भाई ये तो नहीं होगा, तो हमने अभिषेक को ले लिया. एज अ मैटर ऑफ फैक्ट जितने भी लोग हैं यहाँ पर स्टेज के ऊपर, सोनू ने ऐसे ही कास्ट किया. साजिद खान के पास ने कहा तो उसने कहा निकल जा, फारा को लेने तो ले ले, तो फारा खान को ले लिया. फाइनली सोनू अरुणा ईरानी के पास गए. जब अरुणा ईरानी नहीं मिली तो उन्होंने बोमन ईरानी को ले लिया. तो ऐसे हम लूजर्स को लेकर ये फिल्म बनाई है. होपफुली हम लूजर्स इतनी मेहनत करेंगे, और जब सारे खानों ने निकाल दिया तो मेरे पास आया ही है, तो मैंने कहा यार हम तो कर ही लेंगे यार.
Nothing has changed. She treats me the same way. I'm as nervous around her. Stop laughing, okay?
She's just become a superb actress now.
No, thank you. No, but really, I think for me, from my side, the experience was absolutely the same. They both treat me like I'm their little, like, like possessive and protective, and always making sure I'm okay and always taking care of me. And as far as performance is concerned, though, she's very good with actresses and in the way that she presents them. But I'm still extremely nervous around her. In fact, on my second day of shoot, somebody came and said, somebody who's worked with me on other films and then worked with me on this one, they said, you're around Farah, you're a little different now. You're very quiet and you're a little reserved. So there you go.
No, I still haven't bought over Atlantis. But after this film, yes, inshallah, I'm going to do that. We all stayed together. To be really honest, we didn't go to the house at all.
Oh, we went for the most
One night,
amazing
one evening.
rap
I was coming
party.
to it. I was coming to it. Yeah, no, we're coming to it. We spent together in Atlantis. We had this lovely room where we all used to get together. I'll be very honest, this has been an extremely familial, family-like experience. And, we had a great time making this film. We were discovering things, like you said, Farah, myself, Deepika, we worked together. I worked with most of the actors here. We had such a wonderful time. We stayed together. Only on the last night we went there, and then we kind of partied there. And my house has never been the same again. अब उस घर के अंदर कोई भी नहीं जा सकता. उसको restricted area मान लिया गया है. Yeah, it's completely destroyed right now. So we're waiting for it to be refurbished. And inshallah, when we go for the premiere, it'll be all right. So we can go and party there again. I think मैंने आज सुबह भी बोला है कि अगर आप कोशिश करके हार जाते हैं तो आप लूजर नहीं हैं. If you don't try, you're a loser. And I think there is nothing like a winner. Because if you think of yourself as a winner, you've ended what you wanted to achieve. You've kept a limit to yourself. So every time when you achieve something that you think you want to do, you should just keep on moving on, not live. I keep saying this to everyone. You should not work for prosperity or posterity. You should just keep working because it's happy and fun to keep on doing new things. So there is nothing like an ultimate winner, and there's nothing like an ultimate loser. Because if you've tried and failed, it's all right to be having failed, but you're not a loser. The fact that you tried makes you a winner.
The biggest challenge was not to take anything from any heist movie that I've seen or that I know, to completely make an original heist. It's a formula film. Heist has a formula to it. And to write something that you haven't seen before, the plan, the escape, all that, I think that writing it was the biggest challenge. And then after that, I mean, you have such a wonderful bunch of actors, and you have Shah Rukh producing it. After that, it was smooth sailing. I think the writing took almost more than a year to write it down.
I don't deal with comparisons, Vikram. I'll be very honest. The lady asked, आपका पोस्टर, इसका पोस्टर, उनका पोस्टर उनका है, हमारा पोस्टर हमारा है, हमारी फिल्म हमारी है. और खुशी यही होगी कि जितनी खुशी उनकी फिल्म में, किसी और एक्टर की फिल्म में, किसी और एक्ट्रेस की फिल्म में, हम जितने भी यहाँ पर बैठे हैं, between us, I think we must be knowing all the actors well enough to wish them well and wish ourselves well. There is no comparison. Comparison is in the minds of people who want to compare. And to be really honest, I was writing today that the competition happens with your last job, with your last work, to make your tomorrow or today better than what you did yesterday. If you're going to be competing with others, it's never going to work. It's the job of people who do not believe in themselves when they compare themselves to others. हमारी अपनी limitation है, हमें उतना ही आता है, हमें जितना आता है उसके अंदर आपे में रह के अपनी मेहनत करते रहें, वही अच्छा है. अभी किससे क्या compare करेंगे यार? And having said that, with all honesty and love, I say I wish every film that comes, because you would like me to say it, so I'll say PK and Kick and every film that comes, even after that, before that, does wonderful business, entertains us more than the business part of it, makes us all happy, and inshallah, ours also moves along parallelly and does the same for everyone. That's it.
Yeah. Actually, ये तो शाहरुख ही आंसर कर सकते हैं, और करीम एंड करुणा एंड वेंकी, we wanted, क्योंकि
हमारी जो फिल्म का कॉन्सेप्ट है, जैसा एक फुल हमारी कोशिश ये है कि एक क्विंटेसेंशियल अल्टीमेट बॉलीवुड फिल्म बनाएं जिसमें हर वो चीज़ है और उस तमीज़ और उस खुशी और उस बड़प्पन के साथ है कि हमारी इज्जत बढ़े हमारे देशवासियों की. एंड इसके अंदर एक पेट्रियाटिक एंगल भी है इंडिया वाले का. हमारे दोस्त रोहित की फिल्म आ रही थी सिंघम. नॉर्मली फिल्म का ट्रेलर जो है किसी फिल्म के साथ लगाया जाता है थर्सडे फ्राइडे को, तो हर चीज़ जो है एक समा बन गया और हमें लगा हमारा कॉन्सेप्ट इंडिया वाले है. 14 अगस्त को या 15 अगस्त को हमारा ट्रेलर थिएटर्स में रिलीज़ होगा एंड हमारी जो सारी टीम है उनको ऐसा लगा ये वक्त सही है तो हमने कर दिया. और आई एम सॉरी इफ इट फील्स रॉन्ग. I find this very strange when people talk about me being a marketing XYZ. I have a team of people who are wonderful, who we named. There's Venki sir, Manesh, Gaurav, Manish, Karuna. They're wonderful people who know. We are the creative team of the film, and we like to keep ourselves away from any other aspect of the film than creating it. And I haven't done a world tour for 10 years now. The last was Temptations. I've just reloaded it and done it in smaller places and in a smaller level. And then you have this wonderful cast of people, so talented, a film about dancing. And I just kind of requested them, you know, guys, I haven't done a world tour. Some of them haven't done a world tour for some time. So I said, you know what, we have enough of a team here. So why can't we just go and try and do a world tour?
The film organically lends itself to a like that, I think.
Yeah. Having said that, you know, the world tour is actually very generic and honest to being a world tour. It's a mix of every song, dance, sequences that we've done over the last 8-10 years. But it's a good excuse. मतलब ऐसा था मौका है, दस्तूर है, तो ऐसा लगा कि ये भी कर देते हैं. But in a certain sense, it is not in any which way as a marketing thought. We've been talking about world tours, all of us. Deepika, myself, Farah said it, Abhishek and me have spoken about it. So somewhere down the line it fell into place. We've had such a great time making this film for the last year and a half that we thought, you know, if the team continues, you miss each other. Like tonight for me is an extremely poignant and sad night because the film goes out to the public. It doesn't remain ours. And you want to stay with the team which has created such a wonderful sequencing together. And I've asked just to rest everyone because I keep reading it on tweet. Vishal Shekhar also to be a part of it, but they're busy. They just have done a world tour. That's why. It's no other reason. But I would like the whole team to, you know, stay as long as we can till the film releases, inshallah. So it's not a part of the marketing. If it adds on to the film, it'll be wonderful. And if it doesn't, I think it'll still be very wonderful.
It's actually one of my first sort of this kind of film. I've usually largely done love stories, romantic comedies, but you're right, this is one of the first time. And what was different also was the fact that Farah was directing me in a film like this. Om Shanti Om was a pure, you know, love story, whereas this, there is of course the love angle, but the focus is not necessarily that. There's a lot more of the heist. Interesting, different.
I think we both look very good in tights. You know, the heist costume, we look very, very cool. So I enjoyed that part of it.
And the ballet tutus?
Yeah, we'll talk about that to your
I
children.
must say that was by far the most macho thing all my guys have done. Wearing tights and ballet tutus, not many men would agree to that.
I'd be honest, हम जब फिल्म बनाते हैं और जब लोगों के सामने उसकी प्रस्तुति होती है जैसे आज है, तो फिल्म हमारी नहीं रहती, लोगों की हो जाती है. तो मैं नर्वस नहीं होता क्योंकि हमने बहुत खुशी से और सच्चाई और अच्छाई से फिल्म बनाई है. लेकिन मैं टेंस ज़रूर होता हूँ कि जिस तरह से हमने बनाई है उसकी प्रस्तुति आपके सामने अच्छी हो. तो कल रात को 4-5 बजे तक मैं यहाँ पे सबसे लड़ाई कर रहा था और मैं माफ़ी चाहूँगा यहाँ के लोगों से, मेरी अपनी टीम से, सिनेयुग से, रेड चिलीज से, वो बेचारे जिन्होंने प्रोजेक्टर लगाया था. मैंने इतना झगड़ा किया उनसे क्योंकि मुझे लगा क्वालिटी वो नहीं है जो होनी चाहिए थी. तो मेरे को ये चीज़ें ज़्यादा अहम लगती हैं, महत्वपूर्ण लगती हैं उस वक्त, कि आप लोगों तक वो पहुंचा सकूं जो हाईएस्ट क्वालिटी ये देश आपके लिए दिखा सकता है. बाकी फिल्म की कहानी, जो खूबसूरती है, जितने एक्टर्स हैं, एक्ट्रेसेस हैं, डायरेक्टर हैं हमारी फारा, वो संभाल के रखेंगे ही. बट मी एज एन एक्टर, एज अ प्रोड्यूसर, माई जॉब इज़ ओनली दैट आई कैन गिव यू अ गुड इवनिंग and you feel happy and proud of the product that comes out of our country. So I get very tense about that, nothing else. This film is concerned, the genres I think are very unique. It's very, I think, I may be speaking out of turn, not with full knowledge, but I don't think there has been a film made in this world which mixes two completely diametrically opposite genres, which is dance and a heist. It's never been done before. So that mix itself, I think the writers and Farah, I think it's an amazingly unique concept. And the way it has been shot by Manoj sir and the production values given by the whole team, I can very, and I don't say it because I'm the producer of the film, I say it on behalf of as an audience because I've seen a part of this film. This film can compete with any film internationally as what it looks like and even better. And I'm not showing off. And it may not do the business of a heist international film. It may not be the time right now for Indian films to take that. But here is a film that will, in terms of quality, will make every Indian, everyone around the world extremely proud for being a Bollywood film audience. And it's been made with that scale, with that idea and that vision, that thought, that belief only comes because you have a director like Farah Khan. So inshallah, it will make you very, very proud. Actually, all the, I keep joking with Farah that, she being a lady, we tease her. That's the only thing we can tease her about.
He teases me that I'm a lady, first.
No, but that's the only thing we joke about, that तेरे को action नहीं आता, तेरे को action नहीं आता. You've got this macho Sonu Sood, you have Abhishek Bachchan, myself, Jagguda, the greatest of he-men all around, and of course Boman, who's
Last of the action
but
heroes.
last of the action heroes. Deepika herself, actually. So we always keep joking with her. But let me tell you, I worked with some of the finest directors in this country. But if there's a lady who knows aggression and action, or anybody in the world who nobody knows it better than Farah. So there's an amazing amount of action.
And I have a great person in charge of my thrills department. If you have followed my last two movies, he always gets credit for thrills. Because when I conceive of an action this much, he goes and makes it this much.
No, but in this film has a lot more action than her previous two films. I think Sonu's introduction itself, which is quite it's really, really nice. My introduction, the heist itself being so thrilling and active, and it forms a major part of the film. I think it's beautifully conceived and shot by Farah.
I think we changed our style of...
And I'm not saying that it's a family film, but it's about the family of people that today are sitting in front of you and the thousands that have worked behind the scenes. About 2.5 years ago, Shah Rukh, Farah and myself were sitting and we were discussing the film. And I remember two things that Shah Rukh told me. It was late in the night. If any of you have ever had a meeting with Shah Rukh, you know that that's when his meeting starts. Late in the night, and he said the first thing is, I want to make India's biggest film. I don't care about the money it makes, it should look like the biggest film. And I think everybody on this dais today will agree after seeing the trailer that I think we've come somewhere close to that. Secondly, he said, we have to concentrate on how we behave off-set. Because if off-set, we're a team and we're a family, that'll show in the film. And that's exactly how we behaved. I mean, we were asked about Dubai and whose house we stayed in. Pretty much we slept in one room almost, because we were all together. We used to pack up, everybody used to be in Shah Rukh's room playing video games or playing something.
I went and slept in my own room, I swear.
That's what
I'm a married lady with
her
children.
mother and mother-in-law are here, so we have to say that. But it really, man, it was it was like, I mean, it sounds so cliched, but the kind of camaraderie that this entire team, from the ADs to the lightmen to the actors to everybody shared, is unbelievable. And I really do believe, I've also done a lot of films, I believe that that camaraderie always shows and translates to celluloid. Although Manush will disagree because we shot digitally, not on celluloid. But that's what the film is about. This film is about, like the promo says, it's about a group of people. And that's been the most important thing. And entire credit to that has to go to these two sitting over here, which are Farah and Shah Rukh. You know, it takes a lot. And we haven't said this today, and I think it's our duty to say it, but it takes a lot for somebody of Shah Rukh's stature and ability, and not only about position, to agree to do a film like this, where actually he has spent 90% of his energy pushing all of us in front. Tum log aage jao. You saw this evening also on the ramp, he was pushing everybody ahead. It takes a lot, and it means the world to all of us. And that's what this film is about. This film is about all of us working together towards a common goal. It's not about action or just there's no romance, or there is romance and there's comedy. It's about a group of people trying to achieve their dreams, like Shah Rukh said. And you know, Tod De Tale, it's not that. It's about going out there and just entertaining. We've made the quintessential Bollywood masala film. And I tell Farah all the time that this is a film Manmohan Desai would have been proud of. This is what this film is.
Thank you everyone for being so kind. Everyone at the back also, everybody who's come from all over India. Thank you for being kind to our film. And inshallah, as we go along, we'll show you more bits. I'd personally like to thank all the actors, the actress, the director, our music directors, people who are in the audience today. Kanika has just walked in, who's done a song for us. Everybody who's present here, whose names I may not have remembered. Thank you for making this dream come true. All the ADs also, everyone. You know, there's so many departments, I forget the names. You know I have a problem with names. But I love you, and inshallah this film will be something, like Abhishek said, it's a quintessential Bollywood film. When people say in picture में revenge होता है, action होता है, dance होता है, drama होता है, हाँ सब कुछ है और डंके की चोट पर है और अगर इसको खाड़ सको तो खाड़ लो, ऐसी की तैसी तुम्हारी है. This is a Bollywood film.
And if I may just add, I'm really sorry, but you know, the gentleman asked about, you know, will we be able to compete with Hollywood? Please let me tell you, sir, with immense pride I say, after they see this film, they'll be competing with us. This is the Indian film industry. We're the biggest and best film industry in the world, and let them start competing with us now.
And the last words will be only of the man who makes this film most special, that is Jaguda. Vidu ek dusre pe chadna mat bas. Thank you very much everyone. Have a good night. Thank you very much.